everybody, it's Michelle, and you may remember my recent video where I showed you guys how to make these cute little gift boxes from leftover Christmas cards. I've got a tiny little one here today, and I'm going to show you how to make that a hinged box rather than a bottom with a lid. So again, I'm bringing in my paper trimmer, and this one is in the landscape orientation. It's a top fold. So we're going to turn it this way and cut that little sliver to detach our front and back just like we did on the last ones. So just that tiny little sliver. And now we've got our two pieces. And if you remember on my last one, it was a little bit shorter in one direction, but this one is not. So we're going to take that tiny little sliver off on two sides. And again, we're bringing in our scoring board. So far, everything is the same as before. And we're going to score everything just the same. This one, I think I'm going to make it shallower so that we get a thinner box because we've got less card to work with. And I don't want to cut into my pattern too much. So I think I'm going to go with 3/8. So I'm just going to do 3/8 all the way around. And the same thing, 3/8 all the way around my card front. Fold those in toward the inside of my box. Crease them. So far, everything is still the same as on our last ones. And there's really only one step that's different to make it hinged. So again, we're going to cut one side of our square tabs on the short end of our card. And cut a little angle. And I just cut up to right where all those lines meet. And look how cute that's going to be for the inside of our box. I love this little card. Okay, so that actually turned out pretty good. We've got most of our pictures still on what's going to be our front. So then we're going to turn it around and see what's going to be the top where we want it to hinge. And that's going to be this edge here. So along that top edge, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the tabs completely. So now we've got this tabs cut completely out up here, and the tabs are just notched on this side. So we're going to put our bottom of our box together just like we did our regular one. And look how cute with that snowman on the bottom of your box. So adhesive on all the tabs. And then fold those up. So fold in those little tabs. So there is our box bottom. So now on our top, we're going to flip it over, and on, well, first we'll put on these 2 tabs some of our adhesive. And fold those in and adhere everything. Okay, and now I'm going to fold that in to make sure it tapers in the way it should. So there we have our box top. And then all along this free long edge, I'm going to put adhesive all the way down that whole strip. So now I'm just going to hold this in the direction I want it, put my top on there, make sure that it goes over the bottom of my box the way I want it to, and then I'm just going to fold this down and let that adhesive glue that whole edge. And I'm going to take my bone folder and really press that so I know that adhesive is stuck really good. And that is it. That is your hinged box. I think that would be really good for a little gift card. Isn't that cute, you guys? So that's just another fun way that you can use your leftover cards for gift boxes. And you could do this with the other kind too if you wanted to. All you have to do is cut one side free so those tabs are off, and glue one edge to your box bottom. And then you've got a hinged gift box. I think it's really cute. You guys leave me a comment and let me know if you think so too. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.